gonna start with the lemon, something that I do usually, just removing all the rind. But specifically for this juice, I'm gonna leave some of the rind, because one thing that helps with bloating is to consume bitter foods. So I'm gonna use only half of the rind, because otherwise it will turn out excessively bitter. I'm gonna chop some of the cucumbers. And it doesn't matter if they are too big, because at the end of the day, the Nama can handle it. I just usually try to use, medium-sized chunks to make it fit better. And always some ginger. Ginger is great for bloating, and I usually put a little bit of ginger into all of my juices. In this one, I'm gonna put even more. And although it is hard, Nama has no problem when reducing it, so I just cut a piece and that's it. Some strawberries, who doesn't like strawberries? And I usually just make sure to wash them very, very well, if not using organic, because strawberries are fruits that usually are full of pesticides, so try to get organic. If not, just make sure you wash them well. And also, I usually use all the green leaves. Green leaves have a lot of nutrients, minerals, antioxidants. We usually discard it, but when it comes to juicing, you can't really see or taste no difference at all. So I just pop them into the juicer as they come. Last but not least, beets. And I love beets because they give such a beautiful color to your juices. And I usually buy them in the supermarket already cooked, because that's how they come here in Spain. But you can buy the uncooked ones and they juice perfectly well. And you can also use the leaves. So we're gonna start with the soft pieces. So first, lemon. Again, since they are cooked, we're gonna use beets. Otherwise, if you're using hard ones, you put them at the end. And we're gonna load it with more strawberries, followed by the hard ingredients such as cucumbers and ginger. So, ready to put our juices into our wellness shots.